Hello, this is Ian with DC Digital, and today we're going to be showcasing our DC-406C-Term product counter. This order is going out to Double H Manufacturing, which is a plastic and metal production company that makes metal and plastic cores, tubes, rails for other manufacturing facilities. This order is a shopping cart order, and what the customer aims to accomplish by using this product is to count the number of products that the client wishes to tally. How it will be used is the client mounts the enclosure on a wall, then puts in their desired switches via our terminal block, which is an octa-based board that can be located on the back on the inside of the enclosure. So this is our standard unit, and its main function is just to count up to a total of 999,999 and to reset back to zero when somebody pushes the zero reset button via an input switch that they supply for themselves. So essentially for this unit, we do not have any input switches built into the unit itself. There are no area sensors, there are no push button contact switches. That is something that the client that we are sending this out to are going to have for themselves once they get their hands on the unit. And this is, so going over the hardware aspect of this model, it is a tough 14 gauge fingerprint resistant black powder coated casing with the dimensions being 16 inches wide, 6 inches tall, and 3 inches deep. The display size is 4 inches, and it can be viewed up to a total of 200 feet. The number of digits it has is 6 digits. Its power type is a 120 to 240 VAC wall adapter with a 6 feet cord. So in other words, it supports up to 12 volts that is being supplied to the unit. And lastly, for mounting, we have our adjustable slotted teardrop tabs on the back side of the enclosure, and we also have 2 electrical rough slots that are located on the back side of the enclosure, and we also have 1 on each side of the enclosure to have the wires come out. So again, this is Ian with DC Digital demonstrating our DC-406C-Term product counter. Thanks for watching.